Myself, Balakrishnan. I am part of Expleo Solutions Limited. It's based on Chennai. And I'm holding a position of head cybersecurity. See, technology leaders, the top five challenges to look at, and one is the security is a major one. Currently, all the technology vendors, even the start from the DFSI, automotive, and brick and mortar, and the aero, any of the industries, supply chain industries, and everybody talk about security, and that is one of the major one. And the second topic, I would say there is an adoption into the cloud, and the on-prem, and definitely it is a challenging one. So the adoption into the cloud is a second major challenge, and third major challenge is some retention of the resources. Now, as in the people industry, the IT industry is in completely the people market, and retaining the resources and upskill the resources in the right path, and uh, getting the work done from the resources. It is a third major challenge. Fourth challenge is an optimization. We have a many, over the period, there are many applications, many infrastructure, many facilities. There is a multiple avenues, multiple things we have done with that. If you look at the challenge from the leadership team, challenge to the CIO and the CTOs and all, how we are going to effectively use, how we are going to optimize the entire solution. That is an fourth one. And fifth one, of course, and the evergreen subject is getting a budget and onboarding the right solutions. So that is an again challenging part. This five is an challenging topics, discussion points as on today's IT industry. The recent technology, should see everybody. There is one is an API modernization. So we have done with many APIs and multiple APIs and multiple applications running on it. And finally, we bring in all the APIs and done the API modernization and application simplification. We have done it. And the second one is on the hybrid cloud model. And the 100% cloud is definitely digital pass for any IT leader, CEO or CTO. So it's a hybrid cloud model. That's the second thing we have done. Third one is we are focusing more on the security. The organization taken right step and investing more money on the security and other stuff on that. So we build the experience, and a company build our own security operations center and onboard the experts and strengthen the security portfolio. This three is a major drive in my organization done in the past 5 years. Tech priority in 2023, see, probably I can take in two ways. One is in the pre-COVID and the post-COVID. Pre-COVID situation and adopting into the cloud, moving the workforce into that home environment is a highly difficult challenge. Convincing is a great challenge for any CEOs and CTOs and ITs. Moving into the cloud. So in 2020, the demand now is work from anywhere. So work from anywhere is a strategy now. We take out all the CEOs and CTOs talk about it. For a personal agenda, I am closely worked with a solution called and how we are going to increase the availability without compensating the security. That is a major priority for me. And the second one is how we are going to adopt the cloud. So that's a second priority. So the first one, increasing availability and the hybrid model. Second one is increasing the security strengthening. That's the second one. So these two priorities from my side.
For more updates from CXOTV, please like and subscribe to our channel.